We'll guide you through how to use Streamlabs Video Editor to create stunning videos with ease. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Streamlabs website and ensure that you are logged into your account. Next, head over to the dashboard and locate the Video Editor tab on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on it to launch the editor. Once inside the editor, you'll notice a clean interface designed to streamline your editing process. Start by uploading your footage by clicking on the plus sign button on the top right corner. You can drag and drop your video clips directly into the timeline at the bottom of the screen. To trim your clips, simply select them on the timeline and drag the edges to cut out unwanted parts. If you want to add transitions, click on the Transitions tab, choose your desired effect, and drag it between the clips where you want the transition to occur. For adding text, click on the Text option, type your message, and customize the font, size, and color by using the options provided. You can also add music by clicking on the Audio tab and importing your desired track. Adjust the volume by selecting the audio track on the timeline and dragging the volume slider. Remember to preview your work by hitting the play button to ensure everything looks as you intended. Once you're happy with your edits, click on Export at the top right of the screen. Choose your video quality settings and hit Export to save your final video on your computer. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.